Hello, welcome. My name is Renzo La Rosa and this is Roadz. What we got here today is my 2016 Dodge Charger RT 5.7 V8 Hemi. It comes with 370 horses and 395 pound-feet of torque. It does 0 to 60 under 5 seconds, a quarter mile under 14 seconds. It weighs more than a black Rhino, 4,268 pounds. It's big, it's heavy, but it's fun, lots of fun. It'll give you a lot of miles per gallon, only like a V8 can. Okay, so my car has 142,000 miles, but it still feels good, real good. Then we have the interior. Really, Dodge? Come on. It looks good, but the material sucks, especially around the doors. I know it's a base RT, but come on. Look at the doors. They're deformed, and it's been going on for a few years now. Comes with automatic transmissions, 8 gears, shift paddles. There is a problem when shifting on semi-automatic, but I'll show you that in a little bit. It also comes with 20-inch wheels, so you can hold on to the road. Like this much. It's a lot of gears. Then remember there was a issue with the shifting on semi-automatic. Let me show you. You see, there's like a whole second. Sorry, that's rubbish. So it stays on automatic.
The engine, on the other hand, is a Hemi, which it means that it has a hemispherical combustion chamber. The first Hemi came out on 1951, but when the 426 came out, it was so good and powerful that it was even banned from NASCAR in 1965.
Now it's 2025 and Dodge doesn't make this car anymore. They stopped back on 23. But you can still get a used one for around 18,000. Just be ready to change tires a lot because this car does too much tires. You're gonna love this car. The noise, the power. Besides the fact that it needs a little more lunch, I would buy this car over and over. See you, like, subscribe and share for more videos like this.